Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Killer car, guys. Gorgeous pearl white paint. It's got that Shelby paint scheme on it with the blue stripes across the hood, top of the roof and the deck lid, and slick pearl white paint that just pops. Good, solid, straight Arizona body. The car has just undergone a complete, I guess you can call it body up because these don't have frames, but it's got all oxidized primer floorboards. And a gorgeous little car, man. This thing is fun to drive. It's got a updated modern drivetrain in it. It's got a Mustang 5.0 fuel-injected V8 in it with a T5 manual transmission, disc brakes, and super cool, man. Car was done in 2018, so it's about a 5-year-old restoration. And just a great car, man. Most cars I can't really tell you that I've put many miles on it. A buddy of mine drove this car 75 miles in 90-degree heat, so we know this thing hits the road. Previous owner said they actually road tripped this car from Arizona to California a couple of times, and it hits the road good. It's a fun car to drive. Again, slick paint. They did a beautiful job on the stripes. Of course, it's got that Shelby hood on it, or Shelby scoop on it. All new chrome and stainless. The fit and finish is very nice on the car. If you're looking for something to kind of jump in and just have a blast with, I think you're gonna love this car. Good looking set of Legend Series torque thrust style wheels on it. Interior's really nice. Good looking car. Again, really pretty paint on it. I'm glad we got some sunshine. It's almost that time, man. It's almost cruising time here, man. You can see we still got the little snow in the background, and unfortunately we got more coming tomorrow. Look how nice the striping is on that car. The car's got a great stance, sits down low. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it. You can see it's got the GT rear valance on it with the Trumpet tips. The car's nice and flat down the sides. Good looking set of wheels on. Again, all new rubber. They've converted it to Wilwood front disc brakes. See the Wilwood caliper on it. Again, late model Mustang 5.0 HO fuel injected engine. Again, you're seeing so much of this now in the muscle cars. Everybody's converting them because they're so reliable. Turnkey, they fire right up and you cruise. They put you can see they've updated the front suspension, and they've got the adjustable front suspension on it for the shock towers. Aluminum valve covers. It's just got like stock style exhaust manifolds. Of course, you got that front runner system on it. Power steering. Again, does have front disc brakes. Plug in for the computer is just on your left hand side, just underneath the dash. Aluminum radiator with electric fan. That is a pretty car right there, man. It's just got a great look. I love it. Again, I've cruised it a couple of times. It really hits the road good. I like it that they left the hood pins off too, man. It just keeps that clean look. They've definitely replaced those. And I've got some receipts and stuff on the restoration. That's all in the trunk. New door handles. There's your door tag. Again, door skins are nice and clean. Stock black interior. It's got the bucket seats. Bucket seats with headrest. Beautiful wood wheel in it. It's got the factory style shifter in it. It's got all phantom gauges. 92,320. That's supposed to be the original miles to the car. Obviously it was restored in 2018, so I'm not real sure what the miles are since it's been done. Dash pad's really nice. Gauges all work. Parking brake works. I couldn't get the radio to work, so I'm not real sure about that. It's got H-pipe dual exhaust on it. Stock rear end with no big gear or anything. It's definitely meant to get on the expressway and cruise. Like I say, the previous owner said they road tripped it to California a couple times. Again, this is some restoration receipts. You can see they put their some of your electronics that they're easy to get to in the trunk, and also they've converted the put the battery in the rear. They do that for safety reasons. Killer little car, man. Cars, you can see, nice underneath, all oxidized primer floorboards. I got some good pictures at the bottom of the car too. As always post those. Again, door skins are nice and clean. Little fade there you can see in the top, but that's about it. Touch up mark. There's not a whole lot to really pick at on the car. I know we got it where Steve's waiting on something to fix the wipers. And I think other than that, it's ready to go. I know I'll get an email. Why would you shoot a video before you have the stuff all ready to go? You know, we're constantly fixing stuff as it's going out the door, to be honest with you. Everybody wants something to, you know, done to them. And to be honest, just time, man. I don't have 50 guys here, man. A small group of us, man. This is a small family business. So we kind of get to stuff as we have time to. Yeah, just a little sweet. It's got the K&N air cleaner or breather on there. Give it a little. Plenty of power. Car's fun to drive. Killer look to it. Again, really not much for gauges. Fuel gauge, temp gauge, that stuff does work. Doors open and close real nice. Fit and finish is real nice on the car. Brake lights, Gary? All it turns here. There's no reverse lights on. Give it a little rev. Hear those little trumpets as they spit and sputter. Again, radio I couldn't get to come on. Blower motor does work. Got to get the wipers fixed. Steve's got something coming for that. Oh, Steve got me. Steve fixed them. Headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Let's take this little sucker for a run.